Hi there, Robin here, and today we're talking about a smart electric pump. Now this one is very nice because, well, it looks like a tap. It looks like an actual faucet that's going to go right on top of our actual water bottle. Now the nice part is it does have the ability to go 600 mils at a time or just turn it on and off. So this way, if you don't want to have it overrun, you can just press that button there and it'll limit you on how much water is going to come out per shot. Now remember, of course, you can use these on any of the water jugs. These jugs can be small. I mean, if you only have a small 2-gallon jug or 1-gallon jug, you can put this on top of that if you want. And of course, we're showing it here with drinking water, but you could of course put anything in here. I could have filled this up with tap water to make it a hand washing station if that's what I needed. I can have multiples of these set up. That always works out too. So this unit does have a rechargeable battery in it, and it does come included with the micro USB cable. So this way you can recharge, and it'll recharge at any charging block you have, including one in your car. Makes it convenient and simple to use. That way it will just work. It does work, by the way, if it is plugged in. That's also important, because if it did die and you need to charge it right away or have it power up right away, you can do that as well. Now the unit is very straightforward to set up. It does come included, of course, with one of these little hoses, which goes right into the bottom. And once you've installed that hose, all you need to do is simply slide that hose right through here. That's the top of the bottle, and we're going to push that hose all the way down as far as it wants. Now, of course, this was a smaller bottle, it would kind of wrap itself around the bottom, so make sure it's not bending back up on itself. And then once you have that in place, just put it down. There's a little rubber ring inside there. It's going to hold it nicely in place. This way it fits on any size bottle. And if I want to, at this point, I can hit that 600, and there it goes. It doesn't just have a quick flow rate, it's also a lot of water coming out at one time. It's really impressive, and we can see how well it's doing with this actual bottle. It's filling it up in no time at all, so much so I'm going to stop it. That's how easy that is. Very, very straightforward to use, very nice to operate, and it looks really nice as well. So that's really important. Just remember, if you're using it on smaller bottles, you don't want to see that hose kind of rolling up on itself, and of course wash it out before you use it the next time. And that's pretty much it. If you're looking for an electric water pump, food grade of course, so this way you can drink out of it, you'll be all set. Well, I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like to say thanks for watching, and bye for now.